Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat 2023. So let's jump right into it. First open Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen right here. After that, look for your friends list, scroll down and tap on My Friends. At the top you'll see a list of your best friends. To remove someone from there, just long tap on their profile. A small menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on Manage Friendship and then tap on Remove Friend. Like that, you'll be removing them from your friends list and also from your best friends list. Now you can add them back, but they won't be back to your best friends list. Or if you don't want to remove them as a friend, all you can do from here is to ignore their messages. Also, don't view their stories and don't open their snaps, and they will eventually not be in the best friends list anymore. And that's how we do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.